Yeah.
Because Christians don't feel that, Muslims don't.
We do. We also, Hindus also say there is no rebirth. Christians say there is no rebirth. Mohammedans say there is no rebirth. Buddha says there is no rebirth. But Buddha gave the many pratiprashav techniques, past life regression techniques. In the Buddhist term they call it pratiprashav. Hindus also believe there is no rebirth. The Advaita Darshan, the non-dual philosophy, I am talking about the non-duality. Advaita says there is no rebirth of this self. What's your name? Ruchi. Ruchi will never rebound. No rebirth for the Ruchi. Ruchi is a name for this body and mind. It will end. Life force will go on. That life force will take another body mind. That will not be Ruchi's body mind.
But Ruchi's were influenced.
So in a way, just listen. So in a way, there is no rebirth for the Ruchi. This is total and complete end. Identification has come to an end. But the essence of her understanding, the essence of her emotions, essence of her thoughts, it will travel. And it will take any body mind. And mysteriously sometimes it gets bifurcated. Sometimes it's more complicated, it will become more intricate, so I will not go in all those things. Sometimes that essence gets bifurcated in 2 or 3 or 4 things. In Hindu darshan, they have called it Ans Avatar. They call it full avatar and they call it Ans Avatar. Very intricate philosophy that is actually. Some part of essence gets incarnated. Not total essence. Another body mind. So in that way, there is no rebirth. Because Ruchi is not going to take any birth in future. It isn't. So Christians are right, Mohammedans are right, and Buddhists are right, Hindus are right. But when Hindu says, yes, there is rebirth. Yeah, Buddha says there is rebirth. They are right in the sense that life force will rebound.
They say that all the Vedas were realized by multiple human beings. If you could just reverberate in the same frequency as that knowledge, you can have access to it.
Yeah, exactly.
So why is it that only people of a certain yuga were able to access that information and that knowledge is not accessible to common mortals?
Some things are only accessible to your iPhone. Some things are accessible to some Android device, and some things are accessible to some another device. It's software actually. Make the upgrade it. Always you can upgrade. But the preparedness to upgrade is essential. Nobody is prepared to upgrade that software. He wants the iOS feature in the Android. The person wants that advanced feature in the lower version of software. Sometimes you have to upgrade, sometimes you have to totally change the software. Not upgrade, sometimes you have to format that thing totally. So it's always possible. It is always possible.
So what is that preparation?
Yes, that is the preparation. Meditate means get connected to your silence and stillness. Try to understand things intellectually and then allow them to descend totally. That is the only way. And perform your daily life as an actor.
And give it your best shot.
Give your best shot. If you are giving shot, then it should be best shot. Become superstar.
And judge something.
That is natural. That is natural.
If we acquire all these things by remembrance and practice, and making myself conscious of this continuously. But what if every day I'm dealing with lot of society people, my family, office people, peer, and today in these times with extreme amount of materialistic world, I may be facing lot of peer pressure, social pressure, or the relationship pressures, friends pressure, any kind of thing. Then how can I deal with that and making myself the way you said I want to make myself? But what about the other people reaction? Suppose I am dealing with 10 people daily and they are not in that state of mind. Then how do I deal with that?
As I am dealing with all them, when you will acquire those qualities, you will not ask this question. You will never ask this question. You will simply deal. You know. When you are enlightened, you will never ask this question, how can I deal? You are dealing. You know how to deal. So first thing, get peace and happiness. Then decide about other things. How to is a future project. So don't think about how to. First get peace and happiness. Then you will eventually know how to deal. Very spontaneously.